What's going on, YouTube? You notice something different about me? The hair, maybe? Can you believe that this is a freaking wig? I am doing a different type of video today because I want to shout out a company that I think deserves a shout out, and that is Best Hair By. I seen this box braid wig on Instagram and I didn't know what to think of it, but when it arrived, I really didn't even know how to install it. But when I say it was so easy, beginner friendly, it has an elastic band in there. I was able to follow other YouTube videos and clip the lace wig away. The knots are bleached and it looks so much like my skin and scalp. I didn't have to do anything extra to it. But when I say I am so shook with the quality of this wig, it's flowy, it's soft, it's lightweight. The last time I wore a wig was probably 12 or 13 years ago when I lost all of my hair after undergoing chemotherapy. Of course, I was devastated like most women are during a cancer diagnosis and having to lose your precious locks. And when I say the wig game was not even close to what it is today, my goodness. Best Hair By, I don't know if you existed that far back, but thank you for existing now because you just saved me 8 hours of sitting down and getting box braids with this box braid wig. I am super impressed. So I definitely would recommend you to anyone undergoing treatment, alopecia, or whatever your hair situation might be. Mind you, I have a head full of hair now, and the fact that I only pulled it back into a ponytail and just tucked it underneath in the back, this wig, you can't even tell. You don't see any lumps or bumps, and the scalp looks realistic. So I didn't even have to cornrow my natural hair to get this wig on. I just simply pulled it back into a ponytail and tucked it and then applied the wig with the secure band inside. So I am pretty darn impressed with this, I must say. Like, I can't even stop looking at it, looking at myself, like, what? Who is she? My goodness, I want to meet her. That's what I hope people are saying. Yeah. Anyway, like, my goodness, who is that? I want to peep her. No, that's real ghetto. Okay, we're not gonna do that, but I just wanted to say, look at me now. I mean, I don't even know how to wear wigs. This is like my first time wearing a wig with my actual hair. Definitely check them out because the prices were pretty reasonable and the shipping was rather fast considering, you know, COVID going on and everything. So I just had to shout them out. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me simply giving my opinion about something that I really like. Man, my goodness, I think I am ready for the world today. The world's not ready, so I hope you are. All right, I'm acting a fool, but watch out, world, because I'm coming. Bye, YouTube.